Nate, you ready for this, man? Nate,
I'm trying to squeeze it in there.
you ready for this?
Yes, sir.
First timer. He's gonna be addicted. Trust me. He's gonna want to do it tomorrow. This is awesome. Right here, we're taking a break. We're in the middle of the Gulf. We're in the middle of the Gulf. Taking a little break. Just saw these amazing homes on the coast. $20 million homes, he said. Just saw a dolphin and I'm trying to find where he went. Where'd it go? Pop back up, buddy. There we go. Yee! Hi. We out here, folks. Again. On the water.